Hello everybody, welcome to my video where I will be presenting to you one of my long-term stocks in my portfolio. Please watch this video till the end. I am going to share with you my mistake I made 2 decades ago. I don't want you to repeat the same mistake I have made. It's almost impossible to find a person who has not heard about Nestle brands, if not the name Nestle. Most children's favorite brand, Maggie, young mother's brand, Lactogen and Cerelac, and for the rest of us, it's Nescafe, Sunrise, KitKat, etc. Nestle is a mother of all stocks, which has consistently generated multifold profits for its investors. Before going into the details, let me share with you a story, a stupid mistake I made 2 decades ago. In early 1999, I made a mistake to sell 100 shares of Nestle to partially fund to buy an apartment in Goa. The price that I sold the shares was 430 rupees. I thought a beachfront apartment was a better investment than holding on to the shares of Nestle. I was completely wrong because you know the current price of Nestle here. Nestle is a market leader and sells several monopoly products with literally no competition. Example, baby food. Cerelac has 97% market share. Maggi noodles, 60% market share. Milkmaid, 70%. Nescafe, 50%. What does this mean to the shareholders? Immense pricing power the company has. Nestle has invested several decades in developing these brands. It has proved that it is a leader. Honestly, it really does not make any sense for me not to own a piece of this business. Nestle continues to be one of my star performers in my portfolio for over a decade. Let me share with you the financials of Nestle. We go to the screener once again, and in screener I key in Nestle. Okay, the return on capital employed of this company is whooping 139%. Yeah, and the free cash flows it has generated in the last 10 years, if you see, it is 12,966 crores, almost zero debt. Now let's look at the financials. If you look at the financials, yeah, the sales of the company from 2018 to 2021, yeah, it has moved from 2,897 to 3,883. In the last in between June and September alone, the sales have increased from 3,477 to 3,883 with an operating profit of 848 to 948. The net profit the company generated in September 2020 was 587 and September 2021 is 617. And if you look at the kind of profits, net profits the company generated over a period of time, it is always in an increasing order. Nestle shareholders have earned a whooping 29% CAGR returns over the last just 5 years. When you buy a stock, there is always a possibility that it could drop for a few days or few months. The returns are not linear, unlike bank fixed deposits. But on the bright side, if you buy shares of a high quality company, you can create wealth. Nestle India is one of the great examples. I have presented to you one of my favorite businesses. For all my portfolio stocks, I use a very simple principle: buy and forget. I revisit the stock and its prices only when I have funds and I am prepared to add more into my portfolio. Please note that this is not an investment advice. Please do your own due diligence before investing. Thank you for your time. See you in my next video. Ciao.